What are you scared of? Yeah, go this way. Anyway. Go. Yeah. I want to see you fly up on the thing. You fucking motherfucker. Yeah, go. Oh, you think, why are you fucking not throwing the fucking bread yet? You fucking belling. That's what it's like. If I want to fucking get you back there, you fucking cunt. So you can get scared, you try to fly up over that thing. Fucking hilarious when it does that. I know, I only just got it. Get the fucking way. You'll be getting booed. So. It was like, which one do I get? Gotta love that when it breaks apart right in front of its face. It's like, which one do I get? Oh, that wasn't in front of its fucking face, was it? Look at that cat. Can't see it amongst the leaves, right? That's not fair. So how the fuck am I supposed to kick it to you when you're fucking standing right next to me? Oh, fucking hell. Would even make the fucking medics for the fucking Manchester United. That one would have fucking, ooh, he was good. That's what they would have said. They would have said, ooh, he smelly feet as well. That's just the energy radiating from the skillful feet. So. I called it, I said it'll fucking break apart in front of its face. And it'll be like, which one do I get? And there it was. You see that? I just predicted the future. In reverse. If that even makes sense. Fucking hell. I want to put the bread down, and then the fucking bird will get it. Put the fucking bird down there. Then I can see what I'm doing. Turn around, you dumbass motherfucker. It's like, I just saw it. Hey, I fucking missed that with the size of those fucking scopes. Look at the size of the eyes on that thing in there. Nearly the same size as the cat, for fuck's sakes. I meant to do that. That was a little trick. The thing is, it tricked me as well. Smack that right in the head. Smack it right in the face. I don't know if the camera saw that, or did only I just seen it. There's a bit of skill in filming as well as you do some things like this. Kick it with your foot, you see. Not over the top of its head. It's like, yeah, just get going. Well, I don't need to catch them. I'll just wait for their land. Yeah, ask the seagulls that, they'll tell you. Yeah, and you got nothing. You gotta be able to catch in midair. Seagulls will catch the food in midair if you get some height on it. They're like, that means fuck, I nearly got it. The fucking cat. Oh, fucking still hooked it, man. Fucking hooked it, man. There we go. Oh, hit the chicken on the head, see that? But you didn't, the camera was fucking not good enough. Not like it didn't happen. Between the chicken and the thing. No. Yeah, it's like, how the fuck are you gonna get that? Why do you even try? Well, these cameras always compress things and put them really, really far away. The chicken is fucking right in front of me and it puts it like 30 meters away. I can't even fucking piss. Choice, I'm gonna get it away. Go, fly. Get up there. Yeah, get up there. Fucking hell, then. Come here. Get up there. Oh, for fuck's sake. I've been trying to film this motherfucker do this all day now. It wants to be difficult and go down there. Yes. Go. There we go.